In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 on Windows. We'll go from a clean install to placing and closing your first trade, keeping everything simple and practical for beginners. Start by installing MT5. The easiest route is to download it from your broker so the correct servers are preloaded, but the official MetaTrader website works too. Run the installer, follow the prompts by clicking Next, Install, and Finish, then launch the platform. When MT5 opens, log into your trading account. Go to File in the top left and choose Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number, your password, and select the server details provided by your broker, then click OK. If you're new, a demo account is the safest place to practice. Check the connection status in the bottom right. Green bars mean you're connected. Now get familiar with the workspace. On the left, Market Watch lists symbols and live prices. In the center, the chart shows price movement for the selected instrument. Below that, on the left, Navigator holds your accounts and indicators. Along the bottom, the terminal displays your balance, open trades, and account history. You can drag any symbol from MarketWatch directly onto a chart to view it. If you don't see the instrument you need, right-click inside MarketWatch and choose Symbols. Expand the categories, such as forex, metals like XAI-USD, or major indices, and enable the ones you plan to trade. They'll appear in MarketWatch and are ready to load on a chart. To place a trade quickly, right-click a symbol and select New Order or press F9. In the Order window, choose your volume, which is your lot size, decide whether you want to buy or sell, and, before confirming, set a stop loss to limit risk and a take profit to lock in gains. Click Buy or Sell to send the order. To manage open positions, look at the Trade tab in the terminal. You'll see your entries, profit or loss, and current stop and target levels. You can modify stop loss or take profit from here, or close a position manually when needed. If you want to add indicators, go to Insert, then Indicators, and pick tools like Moving Average, RSI, or MACD. Adjust the settings and apply them to your chart. To close a trade, right-click it in the terminal and choose Close Order, then Confirm. A few beginner tips to finish. Practice on a demo first. Use small lot sizes such as 0.01. Always place a stop loss and avoid over trading. Keep it simple, review your results, and build confidence step by step.